Hi guys, my bag from the July 1st drop has arrived from Coach. So let's unbox it together. I'm so excited. In Canada here, they didn't have it in the store. You could only order online. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. Any guesses, guys, what it is? I am so excited. I haven't had a new Coach bag in over 2 years since I bought my Coach Ideal. There it is in the dust bag. Oh my gosh, guys. I have been wanting this bag since the first drop. It is the haversack, and I got it in the black or noir, and it is genuine full grain leather. And I also have been on the waiting list for a twin turn lock in 20. I still haven't got it, but guess what? The haversack has these beautiful twin turn lock front pockets. Oh my gosh, I love this, guys. I can't wait to take it apart and use it. I'll just do the strap here real quick. And it took about, what's today? It took about a week for it to come. I placed the order at 7:30 in the morning, and they were pretty much sold out 15 minutes later. The scarlet was still available, and the suede. So here's my unboxing, guys. And what else did I get? Oh my gosh. I got the cute little teddy bear. And they're actually missing something from this. I had ordered the little book, the book charm. And let's see. Nope, no book charm. So that's my unboxing, guys. I can't wait to use her. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.